Hey, pretty girl.
Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are
Match Made in Heaven.
And Laura, what do you have?
A chickie. Say hi, chickie. This is Rosie.
Rosie.
Olivia named her.
All right. And I have pallet wood.
Yeah.
So pallet wood plus chickens makes
a brooder.
A brooder. So we recorded a video 10 days ago for Laura's birthday, yep. And we made Miss Laura a chicken brooder. And I like pallet wood because it's free.
It's free.
And Laura likes pallet wood
because it looks beat up and old and rugged.
So Laura and Olivia went out the afternoon to celebrate her birthday, and she came home and I made her a brooder. So this video will walk through that. And you're so good. You're staying still right here on the table. So we thought we'd share that with you. If you like what we're doing, subscribe, turn on notifications, give us a comment, let us know what you think about Laura's homemade brooder.
The chickies like it.
And that chickie is about ready to go outside.
I don't want her to go outside.
I'm excited about that. So, hope everybody's doing well. We love you guys.
Say bye, Rosie.
Bye, Rosie. All right. Hey guys, Mike here. There's Laura.
Hello.
And there is her babies. How old are they, honey?
They will be 2 weeks old tomorrow.
2 weeks old tomorrow. So today is Laura's birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Laura.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you too.
And I built Laura a brooder today. So
for my babies.
This brooder was made out of a pallet. We like to make furniture out of pallets, and you can see the legs are shaped, and I've made it today, and then she put some meshing in the bottom, and the chicks are ready to move from their temporary plastic bucket to their brooder.
To their big brooder.
Well, they be a couple, 3 weeks in here, and then be in the outside.
Outside.
All right, honey, I'll watch you move them. Let's see how they like it. See if they jump out.
Come on, girlies. Here you go, baby.
They have more space.
Yes.
Rosie likes the chicks too. Rosie, you want one?
You stirred up all the sawdust, girly. Come here, babies.
Oh, 2 of them.
You're pretty girls.
2 more.
I'm gonna get this one for a second.
Who's that one?
If you remember, almost 2 weeks ago when we got them, they were little fuzzy things. But as you can see,
feathers.
They're getting their feathers. This is kind of the ugly stage of them, but I still think they're cute.
Yeah, they're ugly.
They're cute.
Some fuzz and some feathers.
All right, let's get this one. Here you go, girly. All right, now for Opal and Pearl.
There's the silkies.
They're loud. Look at their little feet. Hello, girlies. There they are. Pretty girls.
Have much more room, honey.
Yes. What do you think, babies? What do you think, Rosie?
And we put a little on the end. We'll see how the heat lamp works on it. We'll move it now and get things positioned. Be back in a sec.
Hello, girlies.
So the light working good.
Working
The
good.
hook up.
Whoa.
Plenty of room. Birthday girl's happy.
Best birthday ever.
Chicks are happy.
Chickies are happy.
Rosie's happy. She's whining
You
as
happy,
usual.
Rosie? Hey, girls. Look at them. They like stretching their wings now. Got room. They're so funny. Hey, pretties.
Ready? Got you guys a treat. Here you go.
Got babies.
Got you some protein. You're walking right over it.
Oh. Silky got one.
Feeding frenzy. It's a frenzy. That one's got one right there. They like them. They like it.